morning. So, my discussion is about DE. We have an example, dy over dx plus y equals to ex. Solution. Primero, imo siyang identify the integrating factor. For the first order linear differential equation of the form dy over dx plus p of xy equals to qx, the integrating factor of mx equals to given by mx e integrate p of x dx. So here p of x equals to 1, so x is equal e integrate 1 dx equals to ex. Multiply it through the integrating factor. So we have a ex dy over dx plus exy equals to e to x. So ato nang recognize the left hand side as the derivative of the product. So we have to derive the exy equals to e to x. So kung ato siya og derive, ato siyang integrate both side. So we have d over dx exy over dx equals to integration of ex to x dx. So we have exy, the left side integration, and the right side integration is 1/2 over 2 1/2 e to x plus c. So we have e over x y equals to 1/2 e to x plus c. So solve for y, we have y equals to 1/2 ex plus c e negative x. That's all.